Hey guys, my name is Emma and I am a 25 years old. I am a deaf and I have a disability. I have started a rescue named Emma Spichuk Puppy Rescue. My dream is to start an animal sanctuary. I have foster over animals. We have foster bottle babies, medical funerals, and all that we could save. I would love to buy property. I could help rescue lots of animals and give them a safe place to live out their day. I would like to create a sanctuary where people with disability could work or volunteer. I want to create a safe place for everyone. Animals bring so much joy. I want to help the world to see this.